Today I'll be showing you how to make a code-protected form in Indition Forms. I'm going to be doing this for an existing form. So from the dashboard here, I'll go to Manage My Forms. I'll go to my existing form. When I'm in the Form Builder interface here, you can go to Form Settings. And then down at the bottom, you'll see a toggle to set Make Code Protected from no to yes. And once you click yes, you'll see that you have a new input field available where you can choose the code you want the end users to enter before they have access to your form. Since this is at the form level, that means any single design built for this form will also be code protected. So for this sample, I'll just do 54321 and I'll click apply. And on the right hand side here, you'll see that I had the form in its previous state already loaded. Now we can reload this page and you'll see that our form is now code protected. So the person that wants to fill out your form now has to enter your code 54321 and they will now have access to fill out your form. That is how you create a code-protected form in Indition Forms.